Well, what do we got here? Hot Wheels shit, eh? Gandalf, you coming up? You gonna help open this? Huh? Come on. We have some Hot Wheels shit. Come on, you coming up? Yeah. See if you can open it. Go on. Not sure what's in it. Let's have a look. Have a look here. I'm not sure what's in it. However, I think it's a Hot Wheels slot car track. Come on, Gandalf, you open it. Come on, hurry up. I see a lot of shit online about opening packages. This is what you open shit with. One of these. You don't use a knife or a knife or anything else. You use one of these, guys. They're safe. Come on, or that. One of them. One of them's pretty good. One of them things there. There. That's a sharp beak. That can open any shit, believe me. Come on, Gandalf. People are watching. Hurry up. Hurry up, come on. Open it up. It's not opening. You want a hand? Huh? How about I give you a hand? We go here. What's down here? Open this bit. Oh, sounds like I'm cutting into shit. Alright, let's get this. Come on, you helping? Thought you were helping, little shit. Oh no, you're just ripping my table apart, of course. Oh, it's wrapped in cardboard, so I'll do that. Oh, yep. Looks like Hot Wheels to me. Come on. You helping? Come on. This might be a part of our SummerNats in July special. That's what we're doing. SummerNats in July, guys. SummerNats in July. SummerNats happens in summer and it's winter here. But in America, it's happening now. All SummerNats is happening in America and in the UK. Santa Pod Raceway just had their Summer Nationals. And we're having our Summer Nationals, except we're using Hot Wheels cars. At the moment, I reckon I have about 500 cars entered. We'll see. Oh, we'll just put a slice in the table. You right, Gandalf? Come on. Wahee! That's what it is. Hot Wheels slot cars. My next love after Hot Wheels cars are slot cars. Actually, slot cars come first. But, you know, that's only because they go a lot faster and they do different shit. There we go. Let's have a look. Wrapping. Cool. Well wrapped. This is from Dick Smith online. Drink me. Drink me? What's drink me? Oh god. I'm a teetotaler, I don't drink, especially cardboard. Don't drink cardboard. What? Drink me. Somebody want that? Yeah? Contact me online. You can have it if you want. What is it? $100 wine voucher. Oh yeah. Gandalf's opening it now. Go on then, get into it. nakedwines.com.au code. $100 wine voucher. Who do we know drinks wine, Jake? Your mother. Interesting. Might do that. Christmas present, so could be handy for that. What are we doing, Gandalf? Opening it up. Let's have a look. Still taping, 4.5 minutes in. Very good. What do you think, man? What do you think, Gandalf? Getting there. Look at that. It's only the bottom half that's wrapped up. Hot Wheels, 280 centimetres, 9.1 foot of track. I wonder if that's both lanes are that long. cool. Might use that in the diorama for SummerNats. Yes, SummerNats coming up in July, which has just started. See, that's what you use, then you don't cut your hand off, only your finger. See? What have we got here? You go there, let's have a look. What have we got? Yeah, it's all in English and Spanish and HotWheels.com. Let's get the light over here a bit further. I'll do that. How's that looking? Interesting shit, eh? I have a bird here somewhere, I don't want to kill it. Hot Wheels. There you go. 14 pieces, gates, flags, bridges, track, 2 cars, 2 controllers. Interesting. And this is set 83121, is it? Yep. Interesting. On the front we have some pretty cool graphics. Hot Wheels good with their graphics. I must admit they're better these days than they used to be. And here on top looks like we do that. And we do that. And here we go. This might get interesting. Oh, I've got some more. Oh, there's another one there. That one there. Another one there. Ah, here we go. And whoa, very cool. Barriers, bridge, instructions. Controls. Everything's packaged really well. Let's have a look. Let's get it down here so you can see what I'm doing. Let's cut that. A little bit of plastic there. A little bit of plastic there. Whoa, open it up and what have we got? 2 controllers. No brakes. Not wired for brakes. Coast and stop. May change that. We'll see. Oh, thumb controllers. Wow, I haven't seen thumb controllers, Jake. Oh. Suppose you could eat either way. Look at that. For all you slot car heads, and I know there's a lot of you that listen to what I have to say about slot cars. That's pretty cool. Except they don't have brakes. I've got to change that though. One in there. One in there. Close it up for a second. Get out of the way. We've got some distractions. Distractions are fun. Distractions. Yeah. 1 and 1 and 1 and 1. It's all in black and white. Pretty cool. Works. Tells you where to plug everything in. How to do it. Tyres. Safety instructions. Usual garbage. What do you think? Hot Wheels cars with engines. They go again. Gotta love them. I love Hot Wheels cars with engines. They usually work pretty well. Let's get that. And that. And that. Open it up. And Hot Wheels. What is it? Mattel. Let's check twice. No, doesn't have a name. Pretty solid guide. Nice plastic blade. Might have to do something with the tyres and the wheels. No magnets. Cool. Oh, is it? Oh no, that's a magnet. Interesting. Might have to do something about that. Take the magnet out. We'll see. Put some decent wheels and tyres on it, maybe. Maybe just use it for something else. That's an interesting little car. Another one. Interesting. Same chassis. Oh, it's a treasure hunt. Oh, I've got a treasure hunt, Jake.
What?
I got a treasure hunt.
You know?
Yeah, I got a treasure hunt. How's that? Unbelievable. I've been trying to find treasure hunts for fucking ages, but that's a treasure hunt. That's the flame symbol. Treasure hunt. There you go. Treasure hunt. Unbelievable. I am stunned, and the bird's destroying it. Yeah. And they go on the track like that. One. Oop. Two. What do we got here? More little bits and pieces. Cool. Awesome. There you go. There's the treasure hunt. Again. Huh. Well, how's that? That's the treasure hunt flame. Again. See? Orange and blue. So that's the treasure hunt, that's not. Are you serious, bird? There's no treasure hunt symbol on that. Or is there? No. No, that's not a treasure hunt. However, that one is. I wonder how many there are. I wonder if each set has a treasure hunt. That could be the case. Put them there. That's pretty cool, eh, Jake? Look at it. Little T-jets should run on there. Oh, the T-jets will run? Yep. It's and they're nice thick rails too. Look at that. Good contact. That'll do the T-jets wonders. This is going to be a serious little track. I'm going to have to modify it and put brakes on it. How are we going? 12 minutes, 13 minutes. So, what do we got here? Lap counter, is it? It is. Lap counters. Yep, lap counters in the track so we can race. Good. I thought we might be able to. And things like that, is it? Interesting. I'll figure this out and we'll do another video. We'll have a race on it. Gotta love Hot Wheels.